Hey guys, it's Vlad with The Verge. We're here at IFA 2012 in Berlin, and we're just taking a look at the brand new Galaxy Note 2 from Samsung. It's just been shown to us for the very first time. I've unlocked it. You heard the little water sprinkling sound. It's very much like the Samsung Galaxy S3. It's still the same user interface. It's still the nature-inspired design that doesn't really have that much nature in it, but whatever. Samsung describes the Galaxy Note 2 as an expansion and a refinement of the Galaxy S3 interface, and the features that are introduced there, sharing features, etc. But as much as this is about refining that interface and that software, this is also another spec-heavy device. It has a 5.5-inch 1280 by 720 Super AMOLED display. I don't know that it's without the Pentile arrangement. I think it might have Pentile. I have to take a closer look. It has 2 GB of RAM, 1.6 GHz quad-core processor, so it's a very powerful device and extremely snappy. Taking a look at the silver one here, it's called Mountain Grey, I believe. Samsung has actually introduced a new S Pen here. It has given it a new shape. It is now wider and longer to give better grip, and there is now a rubber tip at the end. And over here on the display, you can see that now there's an automatic S Pen Keeper application which pops up as soon as you pull the S Pen out of its silo on the back of the device. So here you can start doing things with the home screen, it seems. Seize the day with Magic Wand. So now it's called a Magic Wand, I guess. So this is what Samsung calls a contextual screen, where you can kind of see the variety of things that you can do with the S Pen. The S Pen is integrated with a whole bunch of Samsung's own applications. So the software on this is Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, the very latest version. It should be coming out in Q4. We've got HSPA Plus on this device. You can presume and expect that there'll be LTE versions as well. As I say, this is a silver/grey one. It kind of has that look that Samsung has given the Galaxy S3 with the pattern on the back. It's still plastic. And we've got the white version over here, again, very much like the Galaxy S3. You can kind of think of this as an expanded Galaxy S3 in terms of size, 5.5-inch display, as I say, with a stylus. And there's a stylus slot down here at the bottom. You get a little vibration when you pull it out, and you get this Magic Wand menu over here. Much like the Samsung Galaxy S3, this is NFC integrated. It has a 31 milliamp hour battery, which is massive. The only other smartphone class device that we've seen that has this sort of a battery is the Droid Razr Max from Motorola. Here's a size comparison. So the Droid Razr Max is the only other device with a 3000 plus milliamp hour battery. And we'll just take a look at it right here next to Google's Nexus 7, produced by Asus, to give you an idea of the size of this thing.
I think the best way to think about the Galaxy Note 2 is we took kind of that experience that we created with the Galaxy S3, both in terms of design and software experience, and brought that to the Note platform. So you kind of got the refinement and evolution of what we did with the original Galaxy Note, along with all of those great sharing features and the power of the Galaxy S3 device. So I think thinking about it or thinking about it along the lines of the same Galaxy S3, I think it's absolutely fair, because it does feel and act a lot like that, but now you've got the further advantage of having the S Pen and the Note characteristics with that. So for us, I mean, we've got a number of iconic platforms, one being the Galaxy S series of devices, so Galaxy S2, Galaxy S3, then we've also got the Note family of devices kind of as another flagship platform for us. So we started it with the original Note, kind of creating that unique category where we took a very powerful smartphone and integrated a lot of great tablet functionality. And then if you look at kind of what we did with the S Pen with the Galaxy Note 10.1, kind of extending that paradigm a little bit further to content creation and a bunch of the unique tablet functionality, and now kind of continuing to extend that category further with the Galaxy Note. So I absolutely look at it as being a very different device than our Galaxy S3.
When do you stop extending?
Well, the reality is, why would you stop extending? I mean, I think as long as consumers continue to look for kind of these unique features, and as the technology continues to evolve, we're going to continue to deliver these innovative products.